Hi friends, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to find our playlist efficiently. For example, if you come to YouTube and give Ganesh SAP SCM, you will get our channel. Okay, so here you go to playlists. Okay, once you come to this playlist, you can see here that what are the different playlists we created in recent days. You can verify. So why I always mention about this playlist, because YouTube channel was started 8 years back, and we keep uploading the videos, and there are few videos are uploaded earlier and a few videos are updated later. So I tried my best to create a few playlists based on the topic wise. So you have to utilize these playlists efficiently to enhance your skills. Okay, if there are any good experts or good knowledgeable people among our YouTube followers, definitely you can create your own playlist and send me the link so I can also create similar way. Okay, so here 3PL warehouse videos, all 3PL related are there, business process related videos. Okay, so I started explaining certain business process and all, and SAP latest information. Nowadays I spoke about Signavio or SAP BTP, and these kind of videos are available here, and useful websites for IT employees. If I use any websites for PDF converter or anything, I share in this playlist. So must watch videos, I created one playlist recently where I put all the videos related to if you see here in the new tab I open. So okay, you can see all the videos related to S4 HANA and how to register and how to use the free learning hub. All these kind of videos I put it here. So if you go through this playlist, you will find all the important videos which are segregated. Okay. If you go to the next one, that career suggestions, we have given career suggestions related videos and Udemy related videos, all put it here. How to search for a free courses and how to find it one. And chart GPT, I started making searching on chart GPT. If I feel anything useful for all of our audience, definitely I keep here. So motivation videos and jobs for freshers. Yeah, nowadays I put it one playlist where I'm keeping all the jobs for freshers. Definitely you can go through. Okay, so you will find anything useful for you or your friends or your relatives. Another playlist for SAP jobs information, India and abroad. And if I get any information from LinkedIn or known referrals, I keep that information here. So definitely you can get benefit. Even I'm mentioning about the month, so that if you find any video related to July or August, you can ignore that one. You can focus on the latest month, so that respective job opportunity would be available already. Okay. So our traveling memories, and whenever I travel to, recently I met our SAP family members, those things I put it here. And these are few podcasts I explained about the real-time examples and the motivational videos. Definitely it will be helpful for you if you go through. This is SAP family meet videos. Like I mentioned that I met few of you in New Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, 6 cities. Those videos I put here. Definitely you can have a look. So details about the foreign jobs, and here I'm keeping specific to foreign jobs. I start keeping here. You can go through. Definitely, it will be helpful for you. S4 HANA interview questions and S4 HANA. We have see already 18 videos are uploaded in S4 HANA. I keep uploading any new videos if I make it. So you go through that. Basic navigation videos. Whenever you go for an implementation, first time we provide that users those kind of videos. Okay. So these are certain my on-site related one to motivate you that what kind of opportunities we are going to get as SAP consultant to travel different places and explore. Okay. SAP transport request videos. We have 5 videos related to SAP transport request, how to release, how to cancel, how to change the description. Those kind of videos definitely can go through. And WM interview preparation videos, and this is the best one, SAP real-time business videos. If you have not watched, please go through these whiteboard videos. We have 13 videos are made. I explain different processes. You will get benefit out of these videos. SAP 1 minute special videos. In 1 minute, I explain some interview questions or a real-time suggestion. There are 115 videos. Everyone must go through these videos. 115 minutes. Okay, you are going to learn 100 plus important points or questions and answers. So this one is SAP combined videos, and our few of the videos I combined into one set. So you can check it. For example, the most popular combined videos mock interviews. 13 mock interviews are combined into single video, and people are getting benefit out of that. And if you have any of these playlists, if your favorite one, you can put a comment in this video. So which one you liked the most and which one is helpful. If you have any suggestions, please put it in a comment so that I will definitely take your suggestions to improve our content, how to arrange it. Because making 800 plus videos is one thing, and how to make those reach to the people and also enhance the utilization is very important. Yeah. All the YouTube live sessions are put it here, and you can go through. And you can also find playlists related to SAP MM videos. Okay, I put it here, SAP WM videos. Okay, and Ganesh Padala special videos. There are few charity or success stories, and even certain kind of short videos for quick learning. Okay, huge content is available. Please use our playlists to go through properly and enhance your skills. If you like this video and how I explained about the different playlists, how to navigate it, you can provide your valuable comments. But please utilize our playlists to enhance the utilization and to brush up your skills or to enhance your skills. Thanks again. If you came to our channel for the first time, please click on subscribe button before leaving and check our other videos to support me and to enhance your skills and to help your friends. Please share it. Thank you. Thanks for your time.